Irish sisters christen U.S. warship bearing name of their brother, who was lauded for heroism. Associa. TED Press. With an Irish flag overhead and bagpipes playing, three sisters of an Irish-born recipient of the VY Cross christened a warship bearing his name on Saturday, and secured a promise that the ship will visit Ireland. The future USS Patrick Gallagher is a guided missile destroyer that is under construction at Bath IR. On works and bears the name of the Irish citizen and U.S. Marine who fell on a grenade to save his comrades in Vietnam. Below are your comments. It is an incredible honor for a young Irishman. I don't think he lived long enough to become a citizen. He didn't twice about enlisting for Vietnam, or jumping on that grenade. He wanted to repay the country that took him in. 00. A proud day for Ireland as well. RIP Hero Plus. Deep sadness for the family along with deep happiness with the outcome. USS Patrick Gallagher. I couldn't help thinking of the 5 Sullivan brothers who died during World War II. Battle with the Japanese at Guadalcanal. All 5 brothers were bleep aboard their torpedoed ship, leaving tremendous sadness for the Sioux Levan family who lived in Iowa. The USS The Sullivans was built in their honor. This U.S. destroyer has since been retired. Check out the old black and white movie of the boys growing up. It will tug at your heart forever. Semper Fi Marine. You are not forgotten, brother. One of the best. Rest in peace, Patrick Gallagher. Mr. Gallagher embodies the spirit of America's fighting forces. If Russia is ever foolish enough to challenge us on the battlefield, it is heroes like Mr. Gallagher T. Hat will turn their nation into a pile of smoldering ash. Please subscribe to my channel. And if you like it, please thumbs up.